Okay, in the last level we practiced the first inversion hand position. Now we'll be practicing the second inversion hand position. So this was a G chord, like this was a C, then we went to a G in the last exercise. Now we're going to a Fa, right? Fa in the left hand you use your 1, 2, 5, and in the right hand you use your 1, 3, 5. So random. So just play with this when you're on the piano. So it's almost as if you are drumming with your fingers but at random. Then at some point you can put on your metronome. For a beginner, when you're doing this, sometimes closing your eyes helps to concentrate, and it helps your ability to be creative and play at random when you close your eyes, because when you open your eyes is trying to control your fingers. So if it helps, close your eyes and see, it might just work for you that way. Now that's the end of that level. The next level, let's not talk about that now. Subscribe if you want to know, if you want to get notified when I make the video for the next level. Yeah, thanks for your time. See you later.